Hey, ghosty ones again. There's a freaking pigeon there. Freaking shit staining bastard. Why are there so many freaking pigeons anyway? Freaking annoying bastards, a lot of them. Anyway, just in case you weren't aware, I am currently drinking nothing but water. Note that I said drinking nothing but water. I said nothing about not eating, and those are not dandelions, daffodils. These green bits are daffodils and stinging nettles. So I say they're coming up so soon. Anyway, I think David's Day is just around the corner. And probably by the time this goes up, it would be St. David's Day, so I think. So happy St. David's Day for this. Can't remember what I've already uploaded and scheduled and such. I think I'm like 2 days ahead. 1, 2 days, 3 days maybe. I'm not sure. So yeah. Anyway, that's been it really for today really. I am suffering from caffeine withdrawal. I did take a bit of a painkiller already, but it's taking most of the edge off, but still feel the pain. Anyway, so yeah. Apparently, the other day was the warmest winter day in the UK. Apparently, I don't recall what the temperature was. I think it's like someone said like 20, 21 or something. I'm not sure though. At all. Where's the temperature today? About 14 Celsius. So yeah. Today is the 27th as I record this, and why the heck are children off? This is some kind of bank holiday or something, some kind of holiday. I don't know what. I really don't know. I left school in 2005, so I have no idea what is going on. Seriously, with the dogs. Anyway, I'll show him this year until next time. Whatever.